We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the pesos. We get the pesos. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey y'all. If y'all not subscribed already, make sure y'all subscribe. Okay. As you can see, I'm getting my day started. I kind of slept in today. But no, what I was saying was, before I turned the camera on, I need to get me a new lens because this lens right here is not working. And half of the time, it don't even want to focus. Like right now, like what are you doing? Okay, but anyways, y'all. So the plan is for today. I got a couple of errands to run. What I'm gonna be doing is doing just a little smidget of shopping. I have to get me a couple of things as far as like working out at home. I gotta get me something. I gotta invest in something to work out at home because this weather is not my friend. So it's like some days I just can't afford to leave the house, like to go to the gym. So it's like, why not invest in some things that'll help me and that would be beneficial for me to work out at home, like a yoga mat for once, because I don't like being on just a plain floor. Maybe some ankle weights, I don't know, but you guys will see. I'm gonna bring y'all along. Also, I need to get my dog some treats. And that candle that I showed y'all, oh my god, that candle is the bomb. But I'm almost finished with it. Like, I'm almost finished with it. Like, it's almost gone, and it smells so good. So yeah, I gotta do that. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. That's so sad, y'all. Like, and then it's like, it's everywhere. It's on every platform. Of course, it's gonna be, it's fucking Kobe Bryant. But it's like, it's sad. Like, I just had yesterday, like, I just had to turn my phone off and go to sleep. Like, it was just so sad, so depressing. Like, only thing I could do was like pray. Just pray for his family and just hope that they're uplifted and just hope that they have the strength to carry on. And it was just, oh my god, it was just this fucking sad. It's rush shit. I gotta finish decorating because when y'all see my house, I want y'all to be like in awe. Like, it's gotta be decorated to the T for me. Bitch. Y'all, people out here drive crazy. They don't know how to drive. I had a couple of fender benders in my day, but I can honestly say people just don't know how to drive. You know, Florida is like the retirement state. Like, people come down to Florida to retire. Like, so it's like a lot of old people. And you know, old people don't really know how to drive. I'm just keep it real with y'all. Old people don't know how to drive. I'm gonna walk into Joann's. Some nice stuff. Okay, so I'm looking for something like this color. What color is this? $6. That's not bad. It's not. What color is this? Really hard. Anyway, so this is what I'm looking for. But a different texture. If they got a different texture, then I'll get that. But for the most part, that's what I'm looking for. This is cute. That's real cute. I'm gonna keep looking. Okay, y'all, so this is the actual texture that I was looking for. It's kind of like a velvety texture compared to something just plain like that. But they don't have this texture in this orange. Okay, so this is what I've settled for. It's the orange that I'm looking for. It's just not the specific one I was looking for. So I'm just going to get 2 of those. Okay, guys, so $4. Okay. Alright, so this is gonna be what I get right here. How long is it? 8 pounds. So it says $5.25. So I'm just gonna be on the safe side, even though it looks like enough. I'm still gonna be on the safe side and get 2. I got you something. Ooh, look at there. Ooh. Ooh. You like that? Okay, y'all, this is my yoga mat. It's pretty cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this bad boy to work out at home. And I got it from Ross.